Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by verifying your environment, so PHP 8. Zero and Composer are ready. Once done, open routes/API. PHP and define a first route. Create route, get or route, API resource for your controller, then generate the controller with API to avoid web scaffolding. Make sure to choose authentication now Sanctum for single-page apps, passport, or personal access tokens for third-party clients. These steps get your endpoints live and secure, and they set the foundation before building controllers or resources. Once routes exist, build controllers and request validation so your API behaves predictably. You create controllers with the API flag, then add methods. Index, show, store, update, destroy. Use dependency injection for services. Next, validate input with form request classes to separate concerns and protect models. Then format output with API resources or collections to keep responses consistent for clients. Make sure to handle HTTP status codes explicitly and log errors so you can trace issues during integration or testing. You finish by wiring authentication, rate limits, and deployment steps to operate safely. Configure guards and middleware, apply throttle middleware to protect endpoints, and enable cores for allowed origins. Once tested locally with Postman or HTTP, deploy your app and route traffic through a queue or cache if needed for performance. If something goes wrong, check logs. Run PHP Artisan route. List and PHP Artisan config cache to spot misconfigurations. Often a wrong middleware or cached config causes 400.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.